Hi, my name is Alessandro from Duke's Bar in London.
I am Nicolas from the American bar de Savoy.
And we are Never Mind Age Gap Bartender. I'm drinking shitty gin. Homemade crushed ice, there you are.
Even better than the machine.
That's it. The buio is dark because the big one is Bartenders, our friend from Stig and Felice. Dark bottle. Buio in Norway during the winter is very dark. Now there is sunlight until midnight. In the winter there is no sun. Il buio. That's why it's a kind of contrast. And this time, as you can see, I discharged the water.
Finally, he's doing something serious.
Learn. It took me 40 years to learn this. My God, I'm very lucky. I have a damson tree.
Okay.
And so I made a kind of a damson syrup. Very, very easy.
Okay.
And I use in bar extend because this one is going to be finished in a crushed ice. So this one is the navy strength. So it's
okay, so you need a powerful.
And we are Italian, so this is one of the best Italian liqueur.
Oh yes. I love it. Not sure, I love it.
And a little bit of jam. Damson mint. This is how I was inspired. I was in a local newsagent. As you know, I like to support the local business. And when I found this one, I said, bingo, that's the cocktail that we do it for Il Buio, damson. Also, damson grows wild quite a lot in Norway. So it's a fruit you can find in Norway.
I didn't know this one.
Yeah. Felice.
Aha, okay.
First thing is I cut a bit of a lemon juice. In this case, Amalfi lemon, very, very important. Just a squeeze.
Artisan.
And then a couple of spoons of damson. Like I said, I found in the local. Here we are in Brockle Park, Hernhill, and this one I found in East Dulwich.
It's quite close to me. Yeah, we are quite lucky, I have to say, because we can find a lot of ingredients from the nature that we are surrounded with. Good.
And this is also for all the bartenders like me. Don't be shy or scared to say younger bartender can actually inspire you because they have much more fantasy than we have. And this is how I come out with something. This is originally it was a French young bartender used to work with me. And then I put about, I always says 50, right? But then I always put a little bit for luck. I love this drink from Norway. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then
definitely so nice.
Homemade sugar syrup, which you actually made. Thank you so much.
If it's not good, the cocktail is my fault for sure.
20. Very, very easy. So it's just damson.
Usually when they shake, we should clap. Woo!
Clap and short, like I used to do it.
All of us clap. Thank you. Thank you.
Again, this is very important. The ice is very, very important. So before I demonstrate how bad you can make it, the glass is very cold, cocktail shaker very cold, and we're going to use some crushed ice. See what comes out. Look at that. Oh, beautiful.
Oh my God, look at the color.
Isn't it that beautiful? Yeah, this is very summer season. Also the damson, when I infuse them as well, it's got a kind of nutmeg taste. So I'm going to use this nocciola from Quaia family. Beautiful. Just put on the top. Really beautiful. Just citrus. Amalfi lemon, yeah, my favorite. Squeeze a bit of the oil. Look, beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, from the older bartender, I give you il buio.
Cheers. I'm sorry you're not gonna drink it.
Ah, fantastic.
I hope it's good.
Hello, Nicolas. What are you going to make for us?
So I'm gonna make a cocktail that inspired me happiness, and I will call Felicissimo. Also because I would like to dedicate this cocktail to our friend Felice.
Felice.
Signor Martini.
Signor Martini.
Signor Dry Martini, no?
Which is in Norway, is the brand ambassador. I believe.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
It's
So
wonderful.
I noticed the amazing, powerful flavor of the aquavit. So I said, okay, we can play around about this characteristic of the aquavit. So the cocktail is super easy.
Can I be your barback?
Oh God, with pleasure, of course. So,
So you need some ice.
yes, definitely. Please.
I'm very young.
That's incredible. I'm gonna
Get rid of the water. It's very important when you shake. Don't do the same mistake I did in the beginning.
let's start with the orange flower blossom. A couple of drops. Oh, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
That's my job, please.
Yes, it's difficult. So can I have some lime, please?
Absolutely, sir. Et voila.
Thank
lime,
you.
Fresh lime.
Squeeze.
Very important. Cocktail is very important to use fresh ingredients, especially seasonal ingredients, as Nicolas is doing at the moment.
Simple syrup, please.
Voila. Homemade.
Just made the simple syrup.
Very, very easy. 50-50, water and sugar. Very important.
Thank you.
The simple syrup, once you make it, keep in the fridge 1 month and then get rid of it.
I love this.
Okay, beautiful. How much?
15 of Cocchi Torino. I did 15 lime, 10 simple syrup, 15 Cocchi, 2 drops orange flower, and then now the beautiful, the main character, aquavit.
All the way from Norway. Felicissimo. Fantastic. What a beautiful name.
50 ml. Thank you.
And the barback with the boss.
I'm sorry. Last but not the least, I picked, before to start this video, mulberries. So we do have mulberries here in Brockwell Park, in the garden. I say, okay, I want to do a cocktail with it. So I'm going to put in the shaker all the mulberries, and let's go for a shake. Woo!
The biggest enemy of any cocktail is water.
Yes. This is the glass that I want to use.
Ah, I was using the wrong glass.
Yeah, I know.
Please don't get rid of me.
Yeah, because you're barbecue, you need still learning.
To learn.
Makes sense.
After so many years, and there's nothing wrong to say that. We learn every day. I'm learning from this young man.
I hope so. Oh, looks like we have the same color.
Same color. Wow. Stunning.
Because the nature is important for myself. Here you go. Felicissimo.
Felicissimo. One thing I learned through my career, which when I started did not exist, ice. You know, we say water is the enemy of any cocktail, but ice is very important. And here, for instance, the ice was given to us by
Ice Studio,
London. Thank you so much.
They are based in Bermondsey.
And you see, it's clear, it's beautiful. This is very, very important.
I use the same cube ice here, and Alessandro used the crushed ice.
Crushed ice.
Absolutely incredible.
Thank you.
Thank you.
wonderful because I love the fruit, but also the aquavit. When I tasted the aquavit, it just come back beautiful. Wow, and it really enchanted the flavor of what you put.
Thank you.
Beautiful,
Il
delicious.
buio, when you see, it's a bramble, summer cocktail, so fresh and easy to drink, so dangerous.
So dangerous. So,
Thank you.
for Nevermind Age Gap Bartender, thank you for watching us. Lots of love from Brockwell Park, south of London. Salute.
Bye bye.
Ciao.
Cheers, bello.